Friends, welcome to the channel. Food is God gift. Today we're going to see how to make mushroom and wild rice soup. So basically this soup is really famous at the restaurant chains. It's called Panera Bread. They have this delicious wild rice and mushroom soup. It's a hearty and a vegetarian soup. So today I'm going to show you how to make it. So all you need a mushroom. So I have a 4 variety mushroom, celery and carrot chopped, 1 cup chopped onion, 3 cloves garlic chopped finely, half cup of white rice mix. So it's available most of store. Seasoning, I'm using a black pepper, salt and celery salt. Mushroom cream, 1 cup milk. Chicken broth or vegetable broth, 1 cup water. So today I'm using Insignia instant pot. It's really quick and easy using this wonderful technology. So it is really convenient whoever working mom, so you can set and you can just leave the house, the soup is ready. So I start with the butter. Now I'm adding the garlic, chopped garlic, about 3 chopped garlic, and just give a nice saute. Garlic and butter, that's super combination. It smells so good, aroma is amazing. One is little sweat, and I'm adding the chopped onion. So friend, I'm using the Insignia instant pot. You can follow all the steps and you can make it on stove top. So it's really easy, it's not very difficult. So Insignia instant pot is really convenient, so I'll start enjoying using this instant pot. So once you adding the carrot and celery, give a nice saute, and I'm adding the mushroom. So the mushroom today I have shiitake, a small baby portobello and the white mushroom. So I just give a nice chop, about 2 cup, that's sufficient. I'm adding a little black pepper, and I'm going to add the celery salt. So celery salt is really give nice unique flavor. It's little celery flavor. So I start liking using celery salt in my most of soup. It's really give that a celery flavor, and as I like it. So give a try and leave a comment if you have any doubt on using celery salt. So I'm just now adding that the wild rice. So today I have the wild rice blend, and it's now available in most of store, so you can use it. And now I'm adding the liquid. So either you can use the chicken broth or vegetable stock. So just give a nice saute and mix, and then we can add more liquid if you want that, so it will easily cook. So if you're using the ratio should be like a 1 part of rice, 4 part of water. So again I cancel the setting, I'm changed to the manual, and I'm cooked for 15 minutes. I'll lock on and lock the pressure. So make sure you lock the pressure. And so Insignia instant pot is really easy to use and so convenient. So many settings you can play around. And if you have any question regarding how to use the Insignia instant pot, please leave in a comment. I definitely can guide you. So I just release the pressure. Once it's beep, the 50 minutes done. So once release, the pin is going down, and then you can safely open the cooker. So you can see that it's fully cooked. The rice grain all smooth and perfectly done. So they have a bite, but it's fully cooked. Now I'm adding the milk, about 1 cup milk, and then you can add now the mushroom. It's a cream of mushrooms, or you can use the roux. Roux is a butter, equal part of butter and flour. If you don't have the cream of mushroom, you just take a saucepan and melt the butter and add about 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Once the flour is thickening, and you can add that roux inside this soup. So now we can cancel the setting, and I just make sure the soup's completely cooked with all that cream of soup and milk. Let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes in saute mode. So this is ready. You can see that soup's nice and thick. It smells so good. It's delicious, friend. And you can enjoy this soup with a slice of the French bread. Now I'm adding a little black pepper, and then now we mix, and now it's ready to serve. I had some chopped parsley. It smells so yummy here. I can't wait to try. This is delicious. It's my favorite soup. It's really smooth and creamy and so hearty, and then it's perfect for any night, cold night. And this is so delicious with the toast of the bread, so you can enjoy. And so friend, you can serve this healthy, homemade, delicious mushroom and wild rice soup to your family and friends. So friend, you can store this delicious soup for 3 months in the freezer, and it's never get ending. The delicious soup, and it's really healthy that you made it at home always. And you can enjoy it either cold or hot soup. And another option, you can make this soup and side with a sandwich. That is goes so well. And the wild rice give that unique flavor, and mushroom so hearty and it's so delicious, friend. The mushroom is high in the antioxidant, and then the wild rice have a high in fiber and having own nutritious value in this soup. Look at this, friend. It's so thick and so delicious. This soup is one of my favorite. It's all-time favorite, I can say. I really enjoy most of time. And this soup, first time I tried at the Panera Bread. It's a famous cafe in USA, and it's really unbelievable delicious. So it's so good. So I made it. I changed the recipe and I tried to make it my own recipe. And now this is I'd like to share with you all. So you guys can have it a French toast. It's a French bread. I just toast it with the butter, and I rub it some garlic on the top, and so good. It's so creamy, and then the rice have a bite. So delicious, friend. If you like my recipe, and I'm going to post more new recipe in our channel, please subscribe now. Click that bell button now. Thank you.